We will see print function in Python. So print function is inbuilt function in Python. So when you want to print something on the console, you have to pass that as argument to this print function. For example, I want to print hello world here. So I am passing this string argument, then it will print hello world on the screen. If I have variable is equal to 100 and I want to print its value on the console I can print. So this is the basic syntax of print function. So if we check official documentation of print function, so I will get this basic syntax, that is print objects, means objects whatever the arguments you are passing to print, then separator is there and end is there, and this file system we are not going to think about these arguments. So these are the two arguments. We will see what is significance of this and how to override this. Okay. So now if I will create new Python script. So if I give here print print hello world I am giving, then print I am giving city. So and if I run this script, to run this script I have to first save it. Now I am saving this file. I am giving it hello.py. Now this hello world and city is printed. So if I run it again, so it is showing me hello world and this city. So how I have given, I have given this print statement, then I have given this print statement, but I haven't given here any new line character or anything. So by default print statement in Python add new line. If we have checked its basic syntax, in basic syntax it is showing that it is end is equal to new line, means default end value is new line. I can override this argument. So how to override that? For example, instead of new line I want star as end. So I will give here star here. Now we will check what output I am getting. So I am getting, instead of new line, then you are seeing this the values on the single line, and separator this end is star, because when I have passed I have written this arguments. So at that time end I have given star instead of that new line. So in this way you can override this new line character. Now the next part is, if I have variable a is equal to 100 and if I have name is equal to Ram, and if I try to print these values on the console, a name. So if I run this file, so it is giving me hello world, that is previous outputs, then 100 and Ram. What I have given here, I have given two arguments here to print to the print statement. So a comma and name. When you are not specifying here separator argument, so by default separator is space. If we check the official documentation, the default separator is space. So now I want to override this default separator. How to override that? You have to give comma and you have to give separator argument as, now I want to separate it with hyphen. So default separator is space, that will get override with hyphen. Now I will run this file. So now I am giving 100 and 100 hyphen and Ram, because I have overridden that default separator, that is space. In this way you can override this end that is default argument is new line with other argument, and this separator also, which is by default space. You can override this in this way. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel.